everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are enjoying some of this warmer weather. Today I will be sharing how I made this simple bench in about 3 hours. If you want to follow along and make the same bench, I'll be linking the building plan and tools I used on my blog. I'll add this link in the description section if you need it. First, we started off by cutting all of our wood pieces to size. I wanted the legs to sit slightly slanted, so we cut the legs measuring at 18 inches in length at a 10-degree angle at the top and bottom. Here's how all the pieces for the legs look like before assembling. You have the top base and the two legs that sit slanted out. To start assembling the legs, Tony found it easiest to work with by propping each leg up with a 1x3 while pre-drilling holes. He followed along with a countersink drill bit to help the screws sit flush once installed. Next, he applied a ton of glue and secured the legs to the top base with some screws, where he had pre-drilled the holes. Here's how flush the screws looked once installed. He followed the same steps to secure the next leg to the base, and one section of the leg was almost complete. To add a beam in the middle, he laid the dowel behind the leg and measured from the top how far down we wanted it. He then marked onto the dowel where he needed to make the cuts. Use the miter saw to make the cuts and slip the dowel back between the legs to pre-drill at an angle. He also used the countersink drill bit on those holes and some glue before slipping the dowel back in between the legs and securing with screws. That's it. The legs are now complete. To secure the legs to the bench, we flipped the top down and measured and marked how far we wanted the legs to sit before pre-drilling. Then Tony added globs of glue and secured each leg to the bench with 4 screws. Be sure not to forget the glue. That is what makes this bench super durable. And that's it. That's how the bench turned out. I cannot wait to distress this thing and stain it. I hope to share that next week, so stay tuned. I'll see you all next time. Bye.